Hello, I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to show you how to use Epiphany to solve various equations and problems related to properties of exponents. Let me start by sharing my screen. There are some separate videos that show you how to get Epiphany set up and how to start using it, how to connect with your teachers and tutors. In this video, we're going to show specifically how to use it for these types of problems. So I'm going to start off by going to resources over here. And in our assignment library, we have a bunch of different types of problems. Did that. There we go. I'm going to look up properties of exponents. And we're going to try this assignment here. I will check that out. And let's go ahead and get started on it. So Epiphany allows you to get feedback on exactly where you're making mistakes as you work through problems. We're going to use this problem down here to get started. So number 6, we've got this equation, and we're going to go through it step by step. Epiphany is going to give us some feedback along the way. So my first step, I'm going to combine the numbers. I get 4 times x to the third times x to the negative 1 is x to the second. And then y to the negative third times y to the third, that's just y, right? And I'm going to hit next step. Oops, I made a little mistake there. What happens when I combine y to the negative third to with y to the third? And got a little advice, a little pointer. It's not going to tell you what you did wrong. The whole point is to learn to catch your own mistakes and see what happens along the way. Because as math gets harder, more and more of the mistakes aren't about the hard material. It's about the little things along the way. Oh, I see what I did. Y to the negative third times y to the third is y to the 0, which means the y just goes away. Now, sometimes we'll ask you questions about what you did. If it's a simple mistake and you get it, you can just escape out of that, not worry about it. I'm going to copy and paste this, and I can just say 4x squared is my answer. You'll notice these are all equations. You can also enter your own equations. It doesn't have to be one put into the system previously. You can enter any of these on your own. Let's go back to the assignment. And I'm going to try, let's go for one on the next page here. Let's try this one here. For a cubed squared. So, oh, that's easy. S is equal to 4a to the 6th, right? Well, actually, no. When I have that in parentheses, the 4 and the a cubed both have to be squared. So what I get is S equals 16a to the 6th, and that's going to be the correct answer. This also works with rational or fractional exponents, radicals, and other types of equations involving exponents. It's a way for you to catch your mistakes as you're going, to learn how where you're making mistakes and what you need to work on to get this mastered as you go on to more advanced material, because you'll use this a lot more later on in math. We hope you enjoy Epiphany, and let us know if we can be of any help. Support@epiphany.com. If you want us to enter one of your assignments for you, send us an email there with your assignment, and we'll put it in for you, get it back to you within 24 hours. Thank you.